Now to the coronavirus pandemic, and tonight there is talk of an encouraging decline in South Florida, but don't let the numbers fool you. We still have a long way to go. It's the mayor of Miami-Dade County who says the recent dip in some of the most important numbers is indeed promising.
But those declines need to keep going for any reopenings to move forward. CBS 4's Ty Russell is live at Hard Rock Stadium, where some people got their test results a lot quicker today, right, Ty?
Exactly, Elliot and Lauren. Hundreds of people showed up here at the Hard Rock Stadium testing site to ask for a rapid test. It's a test that can give you results within 15 minutes. We are expecting hundreds more to show up tomorrow morning throughout the day to ask for that same test. However, tonight, a health expert is warning folks, yeah, you may get that test. It may come up negative, but that's still not a point to breathe a sigh of relief. Hard Rock Stadium's testing site will reopen at 9 in the morning Thursday. That's after close to 650 people took a rapid test Wednesday on the first day they were available. And for those who received negative results, you're not in the clear.
Is going to be good if it's positive, but if it's negative, you still have to send it out because there's a lot of false negatives with that test.
Dr. Aileen Marty is an infectious disease specialist at Florida International University. Even with false negatives, she says rapid tests are key to help slowing the spread of COVID-19.
Getting a fast turnaround and a fast answer is one of the most important things we can do to get our outbreak under control.
People were in line early at Hard Rock. The same goes for Marlins Park. Seniors 65 and older can get a rapid test regardless of symptoms. The same goes for children 5 to 17. However, if you're 18 to 64, you must have symptoms.
One of the big mistakes that we made when we reopened the first time is we reopened without having enough contact tracing or rapid turnaround of testing.
Miami-Dade numbers show roughly half the general swab tests sent to labs are taking less than 3 days for results. The other half take 4 to 7 days. Wednesday, the 2-week average positivity rate was 16%.
We're more or less at a steady rate, but it's a high rate and it's a danger.
Miami-Dade Mayor Carlos Jimenez has a different outlook by tweeting, "We continue to see an encouraging decline in our positivity rate in hospitalizations. Even though hospitals are seeing numbers fall, there are still more than 500 patients in the ICU countywide. 300 of them are on a ventilator."
People with underlying conditions, particularly the obese individuals, we're having a great challenge in stabilizing them.
And Thursday morning, more people are expected back at Hard Rock Stadium, not just for rapid tests, but also the general swab tests and antibody testing. Tonight, Dr. Marty is also reminding folks to make sure they're washing their facial coverings and not wearing them every single day. She is noticing that trend happening, along with that blue mask that you see everyone wearing. She's seeing the same one being worn over and over again, and she says that should not be happening. We are live in Miami Gardens tonight. I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News Tonight.